Okay, so you just got a brand new Serum skin. Now you're wondering, how do I install it? I'm gonna show you. Alright, so first thing, open up your File Explorer, go to your Documents folder, unless you've installed it somewhere else, but it's probably gonna be in the Documents folder. Then you're gonna go to the folder called Expert, Serum Presets, Skins, and this is where you're gonna put all of your Serum skins. Just make sure they're extracted. So once you have your skins in the right folder, open up your workstation and you're going to load up a new instance of Serum. Alright, once you have Serum open, you're going to click on the Serum logo and where it says skin, and boom, that's where all your Serum skins are. Super simple, super easy. Hope that helped you. And if you're looking for a place to find more Serum skins, go check out my website, ravel.com. I've made a ton of Serum skins and I have a ton more on the way. Alright, thanks.